Welcome back to Tex-Mex Chef, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best queso ever with added toppings of taco meat, guacamole, and pico de gallo. These are the things you're going to need. I'm hungry, let's get started. And also cooking this ground chuck for a taco meat for your one of your toppings. I like to use this seasoning from Frontera. It is delicious. So just cook your meat up and add this or your favorite taco seasoning, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. I have cooked my meat. Now it's time to melt this cheese. And in the same pan I cooked the hamburger meat in with the taco seasoning, the cheese is going in. This is Velveeta. And here is some Gouda. I didn't find the block, so I'm using the sliced version. And almost half of that block of that Monterey Jack. And a can of Rotel. And I'm going to use about half of this can of cream of mushroom. Yes, that is right. About half. And I will add some barbecue seasoning rub. I'm just going to eyeball this to how much I think it needs, and adjustments can be made later, so if it's not enough I can add more, and we'll melt this down on a low heat and see what happens. And while you're waiting for the cheese to melt, which is doing nicely, by the way, it's just about there. For one of your toppings is the pico de gallo. It's really simple. Of course, your fresh tomatoes, onions, cilantro, a little bit of jalapenos, and some serrano. Place all that into the bowl, and if you don't have one of these tools already, get yourself one. It is a lemon and lime squeezer. You can squeeze your juice on there and mix all these ingredients for pico, and add salt, of course. Just add all that in the bowl. Add about a half a lime for me. That's how much I like. It's all to taste. What you don't like, take out. What you like more, add more of. This to me probably needs a little bit more cilantro and onion, and I added a salt to taste. And that's it. There's your pico de gallo, one of your toppings. Just adding a half a lime to start. Some pico. And this mashes up with the back of your fork. There's your guacamole. Okay, the cheese has melted, everything's ready. Since you already have all the ingredients, I went ahead and made mini street tacos with your taco meat and your pico de gallo. I also had some store-bought chicken taquitos, and these chicharrones, pork rinds from a restaurant from yesterday, were freshly made. And, of course, some regular corn chips for dipping. And, you know, you might want some salsa. And a shout out to this brand right here particularly. This salsa is really good. It's kind of hard to find. It has a lot of kick to it. So let me get the queso and start topping. Okay, what I like to do is add toppings to the top of this queso. And don't forget, I might have forgot to say, the Rotel needs to be fire roasted or chipotle flavor to give it that extra smoke. And what I like to do is add a little extra here of different things, like maybe just a dollop of sour cream. And then you can add your pico de gallo right there. Some of your taco meat right there. See, this way, instead of adding the meat directly into the cheese, you can control how much you're getting at one time a little better, and then mix it in later if you want. And maybe a big dollop of some guacamole. Oh yeah. And tell me that don't look good. I would add the chorizo, but I think I got enough going on right now. I did microwave the bowl about 2 minutes before I put the cheese in to help it stay a little bit warmer. That's great. And your taquitos, oh yeah. Add some salsa on the side. There you have it, the best queso ever. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you care. And subscribe to Tex-Mex Chef.